Hi everyone, this is Dr. Subathra, Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. I am going to handle the subject Railways, Airport, Docks and Harbour Engineering, and the subject code is CE8702. The syllabus comprises of totally 5 units. The first and the second unit will be learning about the railways, its planning, construction and maintenance. And in the third and the fourth unit, we'll be learning about the airports, its planning and design. And the fifth unit comprises harbour and dock engineering. The basic terminologies, its planning, design and the coastal structures we'll be learning. What do you mean by transportation? All these railways, airport, harbour, docks, everything will come under the transportation engineering. It is a means of carrying people and goods from one place to another place. There are different forms of transportation. It may be either by means of land, water or by means of air. In land, we can tell that it may be by means of a road or it may be through railways. There are many advantages and disadvantages in different forms of transportation. The waterways will be traveling along the coastal lines. Where the movement of goods and passengers will be on the waterways, and the air transport is the fastest means of transportation in India, in which aviation activities are grown up, and it is also the best one in the world. And coming to the significance of transportation, it enhances the economic development and the employment opportunity of the people either directly or indirectly. It also develops the social thing, that is it because it connects the villages with the town, market centers, and in bringing together all the remote places, and it creates a good relationship and the trade activities. It also develops the spatial development because by means of housing, industrial institution and infrastructure, it also plays a main role in the cultural and the political development also. So in detail, we can see about the railways. It is a branch of civil engineering which deals with the design, construction and maintenance of railway track for the safe and efficient movement of train. It is called as railway engineering. We'll see this railway engineering in detail for the first unit. Okay, the contents what I'll be teaching today is the ballast, rails and sleepers. This, the picture shown here is a typical cross section of a railway track. It consists of different layers or the components. This yellow color is our train, what we will be traveling from one place to another. This train moves or travels above the rails. They are the two parallel lines. Rails are placed above the sleeper, and below the sleeper is the ballast, and below the ballast is a subballast, and beneath that is the blanket, subgrade and subsoil at the last. This is the typical cross section of a railway track. When we see each and every term in detail, ballast is a granular material which is usually broken stone or gravel. Its size varies from 20 to 65 mm. This portion, it may usually will be using coarse aggregate for filling this ballast. Above that ballast is a sleeper. The sleeper may be made of either wood or concrete or steel. And above that sleeper, rails will be placed. Rails are made of mild steel. Okay, we'll be seeing each and every terminology in detail in the next class. Thank you.